The Moorabool Shire has moved from paper to digital processes to improve council services and provide better value for the community. Many of the older processes were labour intensive and not as accurate as the new generation of digital systems. Through the use of app technology, works are recorded and managed more efficiently. With the use of location and asset data from the system, maintenance work is allocated to crews automatically. Data is collected on maintenance activities, transport assets, open space and buildings. The system improves service delivery, response times and customer service. Our teams have embraced the digital transformation of processes and are working with the community for constant improvement of services.